Put it in the stew and boil up and boil down, put it in it. You don't put it. It's things same time.
Yeah, man.
Potato same time. Can't look at the magazine TV, you know? The potato going, you know. Feel hungry, you know. You are going there. All in one, you know. Calabash with original Jamaican stuff. So people right now, all in one time. So only can stay tuned for the video and watching the video if you know different style of cooking. So you can see what I go on, you see me? And but someone have to say, boy, I'm tired of food because there's so much ways they can do and enjoy food and all that. So this is the next way I'm gonna show you. So I always say, follow my IG people. The link to 2 pages down below in the description. Jeff876 and Yas Adventures. Jeff876 is my personal IG. You see me? So scroll along, click link them, go over there, give me a follow. Subscribe to the channel if you know. If you don't subscribe it, right? Talk fast and with stammer. Anyways, subscribe to the channel, right? Share link to everybody who feel like say, yo, we don't want to see the kind of video. That could be your mother, your auntie, granny, anybody. Just share it out. Leave a like and a comment. So I'm showing you the entire process of making the all-in-one. As I said before, pretty easy. Yeah. So soon come back. See you people, saltfish. If you boil off, make the all-in-one. So people, it's saltfish I boil off, you know. Can I take off now? So take him off now. Put on the milk now. So people, so I put on coconut milk now. But first, put it in some coal.
They stock switchgears, wires, cable, industrial panel boards, residential load center, lighting and accessories, breakers, and much more. Conveniently located in Kingston and Montego Bay with island-wide delivery. Call LS Dominion and Company Limited at 888-991-2119 or visit their website, LS Dominion Company Limited, the electrical people. Another message for you on the nation's coolest, Cool 97. Yes. All right, so the management and staff of Everett Fenton Christmas. So they'll be closed at
Original native dry coconut.
on January 3, 2022. Everton Fenton Drive.
And it's everything we all use. See by me there. It's everything we all use, you know. Clean it enough people for saltfish, you know. Big thing come in I'm pouring for himself.
Fish, chicken?
Yeah. Big slop of chicken, man. Should buy more.
Savvy.
Should buy half pound.
If you do, man.
I'm say one tasty. I don't take him eat it before.
Eh?
Me eat it one time, I eat my meat. You tell him that so. The Belgian last time I say if he curry chicken liver nice. The dumpling, cook down nice if it nice.
What is that?
GB.
Curry chicken?
Curry chicken liver.
If it's nice?
The dumpling cook down night. One thing they want pepper do, because pepper it raw. Thing with no pepper, man.
So I leave one when you have to use pepper in there now.
That's what do you want. Man, see if you can find pepper so. to the people. 9 pepper tree. See one here. See, freshly picked pepper. They're not though, they're not with that.
Just one. Maybe. So then you can't eat pepper, man.
Can't get two of them.
No, man, eat for them.
See the people, I'm gonna show you everything I'm going so they know. When you see it and try it at home.
Yeah, they
Okay.
can. Original Allen one, you know?
Yeah, people say boy entire food, they entire food, this that. But we try new things and all that, you see me, so I'm gonna show you the next thing I know. So I tell you cut up the pop chow, you can use cabbage if you want, you can use caldo if you want, you can use whatever you want.
Yeah.
So next year you can have feature, Chef Wilmot. So man, check it out, see if you name take already. Eh.
But you have to go run it, man.
Yeah, man.
You have everything, we do everything, you know, man.
Yeah, I'm able to pay the same way, you know. So people can look up with that, you see me? Look up to figure next year. I feel you put it there now.
Yeah. Let me make that one boil.
They put it in me.
Yeah, if I chain it with enough water, I repeat it and mash it out.
Oh. You think when you put it there?
Hmm?
You think when you put it there?
If you make the pudding,
How good put it in?
it matters then when you have to put in the night, wine,
You get the color.
to come like caramel.
Some put brown in the night. Little brown in the night.
Okay, 2 pounds.
The put me tell her, look at 2 pounds.
Put more water and then first and just in it.
See, put it in my fear ground food.
Yeah, man.
And so it's a nice sweet yam tea, you know.
You don't see them?
Nice.
You know, love sweet, you know?
Can't be yam them way. I'll get them way. You know, tough and dry. Can't be them yam there. Like when it's soft and nice, sweet. And the same nails you can give me there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, got nothing this year. Not terrible.
I rent you nice though.
Mm.
I'm gonna take money to the bone next year.
Mm. You broke body.
Cause I take any beer but nothing big. I'm not sure still. So I'm gonna dig some do up so.
Well, I know.
Up Doval.
Mm.
And if you see them up there still.
Mm.
I run a fan, I will run there. I'm going to dig some.
Yeah.
Alright, so one step down. And boil down, put it in it. You don't put any things same time.
Yeah, man.
Potato same time. So when time to boil people, I'm checking my code.
And scotchy.
I don't need to put in a scale and your time and them thing in it, you know?
Couple onion.
Nice it up. I didn't put in it. Alright, 2 minutes.
Yeah, man.
People can put in a pepper onion if you not, I can put in regular onion. Get a no water on the pipe. Can't wear the money, man. Cause we too soft for real, man.
That's true,
If you
man.
black everywhere anything they like, I tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Water gone from when? From Thursday. But from Wednesday. Wednesday it on and off.
Mm. Imagine when you pick two broad beans in it too. So if you know, if you tell the people the banana broad bean is still nice, you know. Yeah, we have everything.
But saying early one. If you're not broad bean, you can second with all regular peas, red peas too.
Any peas, anything you can use, man. No, we don't really use the red peas. I just do we have a bean, the green bean, you know.
On the gungo.
Yeah, green one.
Other people, you can use whatever you want night to make it nice. You see me? Some people put like all yummy night, dashi and all that, but we use only the sweet potato and the dumpling as food night. You see me? And them nice native food yeah, we love. Them food are nice, anything you know and stop eat it. The, them food there, it's one heat and heat and heat. And then you don't drink water or some nice lime juice,
Yeah.
nice lemonade. I go out, but go out there now. Be a young one.
Yeah, that is that.
People say them broad bean here, nice. They cook it down in cook it up milk and with rice. So you say use that kind of rice and peas. You say use red peas. You use them broad bean here. Nice, nice, nice. Can't look for the magazine people, you know.
It's now 11:30.
Smell good already.
Yeah, man.
Always have choices. And
I'm
sometimes
going to
it's only
you
a
train it
choice
too much. That's a problem. I'm going to put it inside it.
A cool
I'm going to put it in.
from Keith M. Knowlton on
You think you right now?
That's a blend of music, you know.
We should have nearly done. I'm going to put it in the page right now. We can go and match.
Yeah, that people so. What you making? You make sure say,
Yeah.
you make sure say you know, put with water. Say boil too long, you see me?
Yeah, because you can be, you know, go in.
See the potato going, you know.
I don't say it, man. You have to taste it. Good and good. Yeah, make it slow. No. You have to show them what you want to mix.
Yeah, man, I show them, man.
Really original ragamuffin style.
Cornmeal dumpling. This man, you cheap on the floor. It's well like man, because most of them want to know.
I know, man, I just left a little man for if anything on the spoil.
This man is like cheap on the floor because 10 dumpling. Boy, them man dumpling, man.
You know, you have someone love dumpling, bad man. Come for angry, man.
Some man with a spoon make a dumpling, you know.
I can't do it too, man. But it takes long, but. You can see how they're not big and half pressed dumpling now, man.
Yeah, quick and fast.
Yeah. Dumpling tough.
See the people, they say pot clean.
Oh,
Like nothing going in there. You know, clean the house like nothing going in there.
over here.
And then you're more strong.
together really nice too.
Like him now,
Yeah.
so
You see my down there now.
soon check you back on the people in time. Just the product go on. And show me, you see me? So come back. People, you can smell a nice flavor. Nice flavor, I tell you, man. Right now, I'm belly a ball. Belly a ball. Feel hungry now, man. The smell is nice, that nice flavor there. You smell that. The salt fish, the coconut milk, everything can smell all the flavor there. The belly a show them how going on. Feel hungry now.
Somebody have time me then
So people, when next time when it's done, next time pull the pot cover, so it's done. So I check him account when time he finish. You see me so. In the meantime, you can leave a comment. You see me. Give the video a like and share. Some soon circle back with you. Put in some more magazine, some special jerk. Some more magazine.
Peter and man, she didn't go good in the bush, sir.
Quer que torcia me?
That's what's one match now. Yeah, that other way I'm wanting town. Yeah. Yeah, man, nice.
See the people? It come down thick and nice, you know. Come down thick and nice. That's like you can't put too much water in your sweet coconut.
Already, this ready now. So,
See that people?
You go
Ready.
time.
You can't put too much water. Make it take too long to boil long, you see it?
Yeah.
So I do want to tell the calabash but boy too small, so
Yeah, I can lick it too, lick it 4 times, but I can't go.
I put some of this. Don't matter, but you are going there. All in one in a calabash plate, original Jamaican stuff. Alright. It's a long time now. Alright. So people might taste what going on. So. You have a rundown flavor, rundown vibes, you know?
Yeah.
So, mama can taste what going too. Camelon can taste what going. Nice.
you know.
Yeah.
Natural.
Some people live for so I'm 100.
Yeah, man.
The people in Burger King and KFC, you can't live long, you mad? So, these are for sweet potato now. But they're nice, man, so. My shell lung, these people, them chicken macaroni, you see me? So you bring a shell people in a chef Wilmot.
Yeah.
Put up in the plate, huh? So I might run something before. To put on this because the plate hot. See the people, it first run down. Nice. Nice, but one thing though, belly kind of full already still. But, a bad man.
You can be able to the recipe we are going to do another time. People will grab it.
So, I put some on this mother. Anything left? Me and Chef will devour it. So we so just. So people, but take out some of the mother now. Let's get thick. Get thick. Thick like a porridge. So I take out some of the plate here now. So people, I last round this today at empty. Chef will must plate empty. Alright people, I just done edit the all-in-one video and something come to mind I want to do, right? The bean I'm putting on the all-in-one but never putting it, right? So if I don't have bean, I can get same so or I can buy the bean and the can like the thin bread bean and try it if you want. The special jerk when I can put it if you want. And basically I can use any season you have. You see me? But my season I love use a Maggi season. That's my season of choice. And because it's special jerk, you can throw a night. You see me? So one can use whatever you have, and if you want, one can also put yummy night, banana, pumpkin, dasheen. Basically we use we want to use night, right? And put a we want night. You see me? So one can just do whatever you want and put one want night. Yeah, so look at more people. Right now people, I'm back home. Belly full, and they are going easy, and I found it, see me. Turn off it because more make the outro. Yeah man, close out the video. I want to for share with the people. Please man, be gonna help me grow. Share it out. Tell people about me, people know about this channel and these kind of videos. You see me? Enough more video like this I forward to us. Subscribe, stay tuned, share the video, make other people can know about me. You see me? Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, follow me at Jeff876 and Yard Adventures. The link to the channel me keep on the channel. Link to the page them down below in the description. So just scroll along, click it and give me a follow up on them. You see me? I'm say subscribe and stay tuned for enough more video. Enough more out of the box content a forward. You see me? So one can just stay tuned with that. Enough more mind blowing content. When you hear about the content and when you see the content come out, you say, weird. That can cook, that could have make what this? You see me? You're shocked, you're surprised because you never know. So just subscribe and stay tuned. Yeah man. I'm gonna put in work on the people, I'm gonna put in for sure so yo I'm ready up this and only can watch the video and learn something from me. Yeah, so that's the right man. Until then, God bless. Look more.